Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Amulet protocol token. Ticker symbol is AMU. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Amulet token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, Amulet V2. So, Amulet V2 is the first yield protocol with built-in protection. It provides a direct avenue for safety and assurance to Web3 users by seamlessly integrating its yield vaults with top yield generating protocols. These vaults are equipped with meticulously designed risk management strategies and financial protection mechanisms, which brings users and underwriters together. Amulet strategies simultaneously generate yield from market opportunities while safeguarding deposited assets with built-in protection through Amu Shield. Its yield vaults efficiently manage and shoulder the complexities of risk management, portfolio oversight, underlying protocol assessment, and transaction cost optimization, thereby simplifying user participation, lowering their costs, and automatically providing a massive boost for security. So Amu Shield monitors each user's deposited assets 24/7 to initiate emergency asset retrievals for vault withdrawals in the event it detects funds missing from the strategy's underlying pool. It also provides some basic financial coverage from the Amulet Safety Fund, and eventually external underwriters and handles the administrative burden of tracking and collecting any compensation from the underlying protocol on behalf of the users. Now they have something called the Amuverse, and you could probably guess that it has to do with the metaverse, but Amulet's VE-AMU loyalty program, I'm sure that stands for vested Amulet tokens as well. So this program featuring incentive distribution, revenue sharing, and governance participation through a tiered incentive-driven journey to promote high-quality yield opportunities and celebrate the community's commitment and collaboration to DeFi. Also earn and accumulate crystals, which is loyalty points, through referrals, and eventually VE-AMU for greater rewards and earnings. You can track and manage your achievements and rewards with the Amuverse dashboard today. Now, there's a huge section on governance if you want to check that out. So their webpage, if you want to learn about this project, is amulet.org. On there you can find a full document section. It'll take you over to docs.amulet.org. Now, they also have a security audit. You could check that out. It says it was done by BlockSec, and you can check that out on their document section. They have a Discord. You can join blog articles you could read. There's a Telegram at Amulet_announcement. Their Twitter, as always, I'm going to put up on the screen right here, at Amulet Protocol. On their Twitter, I believe I saw a full link tree as well. So they have a link tree there that's going to take you anywhere you want to go. Blue verified checkmark, over 2,100 tweets and 106,300 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well here. So it says here, the Amulet token. Amulet is the first Web3 platform that combines investment and insurance. empowering Web3 users to earn safely with built-in loss protection. So Amulet is deeply rooted in the Solana ecosystem, with its V1 started as the first and only DeFi insurance protocol on Solana since early 2022. In Amulet V2, it has been upgraded to a one-stop platform to fuse yield and protection, the stuff we just went over there. So meanwhile, Amulet has been expanding to the wider Web3 space, including Ethereum and its L2s, so backed by Solana Ventures, Gumi Cryptos, Animoca Brands, and other top influencers. Amulet's vision is simple and clear. Build a safe space where Web3 users of all levels can earn a peace of mind. Now, this token, it says here, is on the Solana blockchain. They have a Sol scan on here. We could open that up here. It says max supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. And ticker symbol is AMU. Now, it was just announced that this token is going to be getting a central exchange listing starting January 23rd at 9 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Gate account, all you would have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or go over to their website, gate.io, and then you would open an account and fund your account with USDT. And then after the token gets listed, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol AMU, and then simply just buy the token. Now, besides that, since it's a Solana token, you most likely can get this off of decentralized exchanges as well. You'll probably be able to get this token off of Radium, off of Jupiter maybe, Orca. Now, I just saw on their Sol scan here, there's been some Kucoin, some Kucoin transactions on there. So this token most likely will be being listed on Kucoin as well. And if you go over to Kucoin's Twitter, which is real easy to do here, you'll probably see an announcement, most likely around the same date as Gate. This token will probably be listed on there. So there's Kucoin there. And yeah, Kucoin's an even bigger exchange, it seems, with 2.7 million Twitter followers. But yeah, oh, there it is right there, Amulet. So they're being listed on Kucoin January 23rd at 9 o'clock UTC time on Kucoin as well. So you can get it off Kucoin, Gate. Most likely you'll be able to get it off decentralized exchanges as well. So go check this project out at Amulet Protocol on Twitter. It's right up on the screen here. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.